Good morning, guys. Today, after like a 6-7 week wait, I'm finally getting my blind. Give us your best shot, Louis. I'm so happy with this, honestly. People have been looking through the house. Who's that? People have been looking through the house, and now that I can just close it. Okay, go ahead.
You're doing your shape now. Doing my best impressions.
So guys, I finally got my blinds. Been waiting for about, must be about 6-7 weeks now, so it was a drag. I have them now. I finally have some privacy, because I told you I was frightening myself with my own reflection, and now I can finally come downstairs and close, I'll just show you, and close my living room off to the world, and that's great. Especially the kitchen as well, because people literally just look directly into me, and it's just like, there's no privacy. Anyway, so if you can see that box back there, it is my radiator cover for my hallway. I'm gonna try to set it up today. Again, I don't build things, I don't know how to do these things, so I'll give it a try. If not, someone's gonna have to come and do it. I did buy one, which is here. It's been there for a few weeks because I threw away the box. It's got the wrong parts, so I've got to take it back. I had to buy another one. So hopefully my hallway will be semi-done by this weekend. Okay guys, so I have my my blinds. I've closed them. They look amazing, except for the fact that the guys do need to come back, because if you can see, the bottom is not really, I don't know what the terminology is, but it ain't working out. And you can see that although it's closed, there's still gaps. So they're gonna come back and fix that. So I've got a bit of a, not a dilemma, but I wanna make some changes. So I want to move the bar over to where the plant is, and the plant to where the bar is, so that the plant is with the little basket and the lamp. Also, I wanna move the lamp, because when I'm watching movies at night, it's just a little bit too bright. I don't have a plug on this side, so I can't do that. I did have it here initially, but honestly, it doesn't fit because it's kind of an oval shape. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm thinking about getting a new lamp, but the one I want is not in stock. What do you think, please? I'm not sure. It looks a bit cluttered, and I feel like my plant was very happy where it was. And maybe I think this looks a bit too cluttered. I think I'm gonna have to put it back. Okay, in my head this was cute, yeah, but I'm getting some sort of 70s vibe, and that's a no from me. So I'm just gonna switch. I forgot to show you, my mum and my sister's coming around tonight. They're coming to stay with me for the weekend. So I made some nachos. I'm waiting for them as usual, but I'm having mine now. I'm not waiting. I've just done a little bit of guac and some chicken nachos. And I'm just chilling, watching TV. I can't wait to get the fireplace, the TV down and the fireplace up, because this is messing up my vibe, do you know what I mean? Drop your shoes. Drop your shoes at the door.
Oh, you cute. You start without us.
I have no choice.
Hey, Berber.
I've just come out of the sitting room to see all of this stuff. The mop is out. Why? Suitcase, trainers there. Bag here, blanket here, bag here, towels here. I don't get it. And now look at this. Look who's made themselves comfortable. Look.
Yeah, he's the same thing.
Someone's got to clean up.
You see what? I'm a guest.
I don't know how you got to
He said,
Guess what? You gotta leave. Good morning. So I've just woken up. Oh, I woke up a few hours ago. I wanted to make an early start today, but my family, they're not really early risers. So I'm gonna make a breakfast for them, and hopefully do some videos today. So hi guys, so I told you yesterday that I was gonna try and set up this radiator cover. It's here. As I said, I bought one before but it's trash, so I bought a new one. I'm trying to put it up. I'm already struggling, but I think it should be fine. I'm fuming. I can't do it. I even gave myself a rest yesterday. It's confusing. It's a bit like maths and science, and I ain't good at either. So I'm gonna have to. It's gonna stay there until someone comes to fix it. I can't do it. I've had enough. Okay, guys, I've had my meetings. Now I have a little bit of time to myself to do some stuff. Now I want to show you the state of the living room, and that is. And it has been so for a few days. I'm waiting for someone to help me build this thing, this radiator cover. As I told you all, my Hoover broke, so now I tried to do like handyman, but it's not working out. I have some stuff. This is going back today. I need to recycle some stuff. And so that's what I want to crack on with today and make hair look a bit decent. And I don't have a Hoover now, so I need to do even more to be able to keep it clean and tidy. But right now I'm gonna get a smoothie because I'm really hungry. I made this smoothie yesterday and it was so nice. It was so different. It has banana, spinach, mint, cacao nibs. I did add a bit of ice and a little bit of honey. I used oat milk because dairy just ain't it for me. Look. Okay, so I found a video that basically explains how I can glue the mirror to the wall. To be honest, that video is too long, so I'm just gonna wing it. Whatever happens, happens, you know what I mean? I've got to learn for myself. I have a feeling it's gonna drop and smash. Oh! I need my phone. I need my phone to see what the video says. See what happens when you're fast and you don't listen. If this doesn't stick up, the wall's gonna be ruined. Okay, it says complete drying takes 24 hours, but it should form the bond within 3 minutes. And I'm pretty sure I've been here for longer than 3 minutes. I think I have the delivery. Wrong timing. Yeah, I think we're getting somewhere. This is what it's looking at the moment. It's up, it's fine. And I'm taping it up and it should be taped basically for 24 hours. Okay, I'm actually really proud of my handiwork. And if it doesn't fall down and smash to complete smithereens, I'm gonna be so proud of myself. It looks like a mess, to be honest. Morning, guys. So I'm sure it's been 24 hours. It must be. I haven't had any problems with the mirror itself. It hasn't seemed to move. It should be on properly. I'm gonna take the tape off now. So I hope it's fully dry. Okay. So already I would say not to use normal tape. Probably listen to the YouTube videos and the advice you're given and use the proper tape. I can't remember what tape it was, but it wasn't this tape. It's up. I'm happy with that. I just wanted a decent mirror for the toilet, and now I can at least look at myself when I'm in here. Good job. I'm actually fuming. Just 2 seconds. I walked away for 2 seconds. I heard it drop and then smash. I can't believe it. I'm actually fuming. Morning guys, it's 8:22 on a Saturday. I plan on cleaning this house today from top to bottom. My Instagram sisters have recommended some Hoovers because mine broke, so I'm gonna get a shark Hoover. I couldn't wait for Amazon, so I'm going to Argos to pick it up. I'm very excited about that. I don't know why. It's still early. I want to go and find some cleaning products. I want to buy some plant pots, and I had some other things on the list, but yeah, so I'm gonna go out and get them now. This is my outfit, just trainers and a jumper and some jeans. Don't worry, these trainers have not been worn out yet, but they're super comfortable. This is, I have 3 pairs of these in different colors. They're so comfortable. So let's go. Guys, I'm at Home Bargains. I don't know if I can film inside. I've not reached that level of YouTuberness yet. But I'm here. So let's see. I got my big IKEA bag, so let's see what I come out with. I've been looking for some bar salts. I usually get these cheap ones, but look at these. Guys, look at this. $4.99. I did manage to film some stuff. I'm getting better. I wanted to show you what I bought. I spent about £27. Mostly cleaning stuff, but I wanted to show you this beauty. And I was thinking I could put it in my office or one of my shelves. Guess how much? Guess how much? $4.99. $4.99. Such a good price. Let me put it back before I wreck it. Guys, I'm back from shopping. I make myself sick. I was just really supposed to pick up my Hoover and just I don't know, a couple of bits here and there. Please, why do I have 3 extra bags? What is all this? Anyway, I'm going to get something to eat and then I'm gonna start the cleaning. Guys, I need to tell you, my Instagram family recommended this Hoover. Well, it was either this shark Hoover or Dyson, and Dyson was killing me softly because they were telling me 300. I ain't got it, baby. This was half the price. I want to show you. Look at this. I'm actually in love with this Hoover. It's so lightweight. It's good looking. The cleaning experience for me is about to improve by 10. I don't care what anyone says. Anyway, let's clean the kitchen. I'm upset, I can't lie. I broke my little timer. It just smashed. And I hoovered up the sand. The sand inside is actually very nice. It's kind of like a goldy colour. But the Hoover is so agile. It just went into every corner, and I think it even whispered like, don't worry, I'm gonna catch all the sand. Oh my gosh, I love this Hoover. So guys, I'm sitting down to have a little coffee. I did spill something on me, so. But I had to go and check my meters to get the gas and the electricity readings because I changed my providers. I'm feeling top level grown right now. I mean, I just went outside, opened up my little meter boxes and was like, okay, let me take a picture of that. So yeah, because my new providers have been bugging me to send it. I've got hazelnut syrup with coconut milk coffee. It's really good. I'm basically just using what I have at home because I don't want to buy any unnecessary food because a lot of food is going to waste in this house and I ain't got time for that. The fridge is looking empty right now, but it's all I need because things are going off. I'm not using them. Once the sell by date reaches, I won't play. It's going straight in the bin. If I smell something that smells slightly, the slightest bit weird, I throw it away. My stomach's weak. I'm gonna take a minute, do some emails for work, so that after the meeting I don't have to do it, and then I'll have a couple of hours until the next meeting. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Also, I don't think I mentioned, but my mirror from IKEA came with a black rim, which I'm actually alright with, but I was thinking that I could spray paint it gold. So can you please let me know if I should do it or not? I really don't mind the back, but I feel like gold might tie it in a little bit more. So have a look, let me know if you think I should spray paint the rim gold. I'm trying to buy a fiddle leaf plant. I think that will make me feel better, number one, and I think it will look better. My problem is I have too many plants. I'm scared to even count how many plants I have because in my kitchen I think I have 4 or 5 plants. Is the kitchen even that big to warrant having so many or enough space? Someone just told me they can get me one for tomorrow. Yes, what's his name? Yes, Peter, get me my plant. You lie. I gotta go. I gotta get my plant, baby. He's saying he can get me one for tomorrow, so hopefully by tomorrow I can show you my plant. Guys, I had a very productive day. I'm gonna make dinner now. I was gonna try and do like something really nice, but you know when you get to the point where you're just really hungry, I'm just gonna chuck some like stir-fry noodles in a pan with some salmon. But I want to show you my fridge. So that's what my fridge is looking like. Glory to God. I'm glad I can only say I'm blessed that my fridge is full, but there's not even a dessert in there and I really want a dessert, so I don't know what's gonna happen tonight, but I'm gonna cook my little stir fry. Nothing special, honestly. I'm gonna cook that, have that for dinner with some stuff, and I'm listening to Joel Osteen's podcast, which I'm loving. I usually watch him on YouTube. My mum loves him, so I'm listening to his podcast, and he's brilliant. Alexa, play.
Would you pray with me today?
We're gonna pray with you, Joel. We're gonna pray with you. I'm just doing some work today. I'm gonna do a video of my living room tour later. So it's such a beautiful day, and I'm gonna go out and buy some more of those gold shower trays or shower baskets from Aldi. You can't go wrong. I was about to spend £30+ and I found it for £4.49. You go figure. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
They should have been